How to delete Reels history on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using. So all you want to do is open up your Facebook application, then go over to the top left where it has the 3 lines, then go to settings and privacy, then click settings, which is the first option anyway. Go ahead and scroll down until you find activity log, which is going to be under the your activity section. Then go ahead and press your Facebook activity, and you're going to see a lot of different things right here. So what I can do once I'm here is go over to posts, and it says information about posts that you shared or interacted with. Go over to that, and it's going to show anything that I've watched or anything like that. And if I want to go ahead and view it, all I got to do is just go ahead and simply just click on it, and then it's going to allow me to view that video or reel as well. But yeah, you can go back as however many dates you want, and you're going to be able to see all of the videos and reels that you want. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. If you want to delete anything, press these 3 little dots and then press delete as well. So you can do that for however many you want as well. Then they'll be up in the recycling bin.